What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful BRABUS G63 that we have right here with us. Now let's take a look around, guys, to show you how amazing this Magno paint to me matches super well, of course, with the BRABUS badge and the carbon fiber options that are on this car all over the place, guys. Now let's get to the details of this in a bit, but before that, let's take a walk around to show you guys how aggressive this car actually looks. Amazing carbon fiber rear hood, beautiful. Check out the white interior, stunning interior. Love the BRABUS lighting on the floor. Hopefully you guys can see that. Can you see that? Damn beautiful. So let's start off with the front of the car, guys. Firstly, let's acknowledge the front hood carbon fiber. I love the finishing of this. Absolutely aggressive, absolutely stunning. The paint, this matte finish Magno kind of like paint, that is beautiful as well. Your daytime running lights go around the circle here. Your main headlights are inside. Beautiful touch. You got your AMG front grille, right, like that, but this time around it's BRABUS badging, BRABUS wording, carbon fiber all over the front grille, guys. Stunning. Beautiful. Now let's take a look at the front bumper. You have all your intakes happening right here, right? So carbon fiber all over this. Your LED lights DRL should be over there. You got your carbon fiber centerpiece right here as well. So beautiful touch. You got some amazing BRABUS wording here also. Number plate goes right in the center. Beautiful touch. I love it. Now let's check out the front turn indicators. You got the Mercedes-Benz wording right there. Stunning look. Love how it looks. Now these black linings all over the car, right, that go straight to the door. That's something which I truly love about these G-Class cars. Check out the wheels. Michelin tires is what they are using for this piece of art. You got your Pilot Sport for SUV, and you got these wordings right there on the particular wheels, you know. So BRABUS badging over there. I love how it says platinum mono block F 23-inch forged. Dude, this is so damn cool, man. This is so damn cool. So you got your BRABUS badging right here in the center wheel caps. BRABUS brake calipers right there. You got your drill disc brakes located right at the back. Stunning piece of art. Check out the tire size. The tire size would be down here. 295 35 R23. 23-inch wheels for this. Oh my goodness, these are forged monoblock platinum edition. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's take a look at the side right here. You got your air that flows through on the outside right here so as well, but this is more like for cosmetic purposes. BRABUS, again, one more time again, you got your carbon fiber. Amazing finish for this. You got your BRABUS badging right here as well. Again, that black lining that goes across, and I love the G-Class handles that we have right here. So you press to unlock, and yeah, that's how you do it. You got your LEDs that pop up here to show you the side steps. Hopefully later you guys can see it, but take a look at the door handles. These are white interior. You got your ventilated seats happening here, lock unlock, memory seats, Burmester sound system. Amazing door handles to open up, compartment storage down there, window winding down up here. You got your BRABUS lock badging right there. Can you see that, guys? That is beautiful. So interior, amazing carbon fiber handle right here for you to hold on to. Storage place down there. You got your aircon air vents right there. You got your carbon fiber finish in the center together with that piece also as well. So beautiful touch. Cup holders, and also your key slot right there. I believe that's to start the car. Down here you got additional storage and amazing central differential lock for you guys to go off-roading. Other clocks right there, IWC, my favorite. This part right here, you got your navigation radio, climate adjustments, all of them all over here. Center big screen for you to control all your settings. You got your amazing white seats with the AMG badging right there. Beautiful white interior blending in with this black. So I love the touch. You have a roof right on top, and you got your other stuff happening, which is like your mirrors and whatnot. This car is super huge, man, dude. Burmester speakers right up there to open up the mirrors also if you wish to. Now let's jump to the rear to show you guys how the rear looks like. So we have these carbon fiber options right here, window adjustments here, heated or cooling seats, but I believe this should be heated. And then if you're looking at Burmester sound system, you got your opening up the door handles, compartment storage, and BRABUS wording at the door side, similar to the front earlier. Amazing white interior, as I mentioned. Beautiful setup. Now let's take a hop in, show you guys how this car actually feels like sitting in. So this is me sitting at the rear passenger seat. We'll get to the driver's seat in a while more, but this is me without adjusting the front seats earlier, so comfortable as well. You got your suede finish right on the top, beautiful touch. Center aircon vents, temperature adjustments. This is for your cup holder that goes down, so very nice indeed. You got your black seat belts right here, suede finish all over the roof, so that's something beautiful. Now let's get to the center. Amazing. I opened up the rear boot earlier, but let's get down. Love the height. So now we are down. Check out the rear wheels. Again, Michelin tires is what they're using. You got your drill disc brakes on the inside, BRABUS calipers on that side. You got a center badging with the BRABUS. I like how they have these. I'm not sure how you say it, but yeah, probably someone can say that for me. Platinum edition monoblock F23 inch forged. Dude, I love how those wheels have those kind of things. It just makes it even more cooler, man. So you have your tire size. Where is it? Okay, 295/35 R23. That's for the rear. So beautiful touch. Amazing finishing, guys. I believe this should be, yeah, we gotta unlock the car maybe later, give it some power, then one can open up. But carbon fiber finishing on the rear as well of this wheel, the wheel arch. Again, those black linings that go across, right? So it all is from the front all the way to the back. I love this BRABUS top, sort of like a wing spoiler that they have. Check it out, how aggressive it looks. Beautiful finishing, guys. Again, here carbon fiber underneath, got some black finish at the top. Beautiful touch. Now the rear, absolutely huge. Lights, 12-volt charging. Seats can be folded down if you wish to, but that's not what we're gonna be using this car for, to fold and keep stuff. No, right? I mean, it's kind of cool, man, dude. If you wish to fold and keep some stuff, you can. White padding right here, handle to close, to pull to close the doors. BRABUS number plate goes there. Love how it locks and closes, but amazing rear. You got your carbon fiber center finish right here for the diffuser. Number plate goes right there. Lighting for the number plate is over there, so that's beautiful. Now let's try and take a look at what's hiding on this side. BRABUS wheel cover, dude. This is full in carbon fiber, man. That's damn cool. I love the BRABUS wording for the door opening right here. Now let's try and close the door, see how it sounds. Check that out. Now that's for that door. Let's try this door. Amazing. The driver door, we'll leave that open because we want to try and start the car in a while more. But take a look, guys. Just take a look. Side mirrors, guys. Carbon fiber as well, forgot about that. And also the most important thing, one more time. Check out the front lights that they have on top here. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber for that. So those are damn cool, man. Damn cool. So let's close the rear. Amazing touch. Now take a walk around to show you how boxed up and how boxy this car actually looks. So it's damn beautiful. You got your BRABUS badging on the left side right here as well. Beautiful touch. I love it. So let's take a look on the inside. Okay, so we are going to be using one of the mics because those are your exhaust, guys. Check those out, man, dude. Okay, BRABUS right on the exhaust tips. Now I'm going to put this over here. I believe it's going to be quite loud, or maybe over here. Hopefully you guys can hear the sound. So now BRABUS pedals where you step on as well. BRABUS wording right there. Now let's jump all the way in to the driver side of things. Whew, this is damn cool, man, dude. I wish I had this car to be rolling back in every day. Very cool to be in this. Carbon fiber finishing all over the front dashboard right here. Love the touch. Burmester sound system. You got your car bands or Daimler, sorry, your signature for the authorized windscreen, aircon adjustments, lights and whatnot. Let's start the car, guys. Whirling right there. Just check out how beautiful it sounds. Damn. Give it a sport mode, I guess. Check those out. Woo. These are the flaps open. Let's do some amazing revving. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sound, guys. So that's how amazing this car actually sounds, guys. Damn, that's super cool. Hope you guys got a feel of how the sound of this car actually sounds like. So if you'd like to find out more about BRABUS cars, do head down to Penchala and you'll be able to locate their showroom because it's super obvious along the highway on the outside. Amazing car, and if you'd like to find out more about the details of this car, it's what better way to do than check the description down below and get in touch with any of the people in charge here to find out more. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.